As an OT, I've prescribed many Rotoflexes, all of which have had huge benefits. And for many reasons, being such as allowing independence for transfers both in and out of bed, reducing or totally eliminating care needs, and this can also be around anxieties, because with carers coming into the home this can increase anxieties, so if you don't have them totally reduced, eliminated, minimises a falls risk, and for a client getting both in and out of bed because it's a safe transfer. It promotes a good night's sleep, which has many medical benefits about lying position, for reduced edema, lower limbs, so it aids circulation. And it can be used for a variety of conditions such as MS, Parkinson's disease, motor neurons disease. And these also can have significant cost savings for local authorities if there's no care that's needed. All of these have been positive outcomes, and as a professional occupational therapist I have complete confidence in prescribing a Rotoflex. Thank you.